There's something wrong with my soup. It tastes like crap. Wow, it still tastes like crap. You should give up. Why are you such a bad cook? Wait, what? Whatever, I can find someplace else to crash. Ah! Do not sneak up on me like that.
Sorry.
Absolutely not. Oh, fine. Shut up.
Pretty cool, right? I'll watch TV.
How do you power that thing?
Don't have to worry about it. Let's just watch.
Looking for a fun, active way to bring the whole family together? Try a new Louis cement balloon. Just pour, tie, and pop for hours of wholesome outdoor excitement. Perfect for birthday parties, school events, or just a lively afternoon.
Hello, I am 1 year old, and I agree with this message.
Kids love them, and parents appreciate the durable, easy, clean formulation. Louis, making memories that last. Available in 50-pound bags in hardware stores nationwide.
The crap they put on TVs nowadays.
Well, watching it, so...
I'm not watching it, I hate watching it. Big difference.
Big difference.
Well, I think it's ass. That's the big difference.
I like it.
Thanks, I guess. Oh look, the show's back on.
Well, that was fun.
Yep.
Want to watch a movie?
Yes.